Hello folks, today's go as far as you can see with you, and I'm not only want to review this Dome sound machine, natural noise maker, as well as I would like to explain a little bit to those who knows what the secret to have a better sleep. And I want to say something about pink, blue and brown noise. That's what this machine is made of. First of all, I'm going to be introduce this machine. So this is basically a natural motor inside, and it has padding on the back, so it's basically you're not allowed the vibration from the motor pass into the table or anywhere else, so it's quite better. So the next thing is to want to say about this is adjustments. I can show how. Let's test it, see how it's work. Adjustment on amount of noise is produced. Let me see. We're gonna shut my computer because it make too much noise. Hold on a second. There we go. So this is contained two modes, like slow and fast. Let's go with the slow, and you can adjust. There's a few holes on top, and you can feel the noises change. I will be silent for you to see the difference. Completely shut, very quiet. And this is speed 2. So if it's far away from you, it sounds more like it has wind. As you can hear, my computer in the background is make much more noise than anything else. So let me say a little bit about different type of noises, pink, blue and brown noise real quick. If you use fan, for instance, when you sleep, or conditioner, even like if you sound from the tumbling dryer machine or when you fall asleep alone, many people need comfort and it's familiar and constant sounds of does of at night, especially. We all know, like from 12 to 2 we got enough melatonin is produced, so it gotta be very quiet and dark. So it's because typically sound itself that wakes up our keeper from falling asleep in first place, you know what I'm saying. But rather than this hard changes, sounds wakes up. I think it's a slamming door, barking dogs, cracking a light. That's where sleep sounds coming. By feeling the bedroom with a constant sound, we can multiply basically those outside sounds and create, I would say, more soothing and warming. So, however, the sound is typically associated with the white noise, such as grill or fan or static or TV, anything, other than like white noise. You might in fact be listening to something closer to pink noise, blue noise or brown noise. They are all different. So what is the sound wave anyway? It's basically frequencies, which is referred to how quietly is a wave is go per second, and is measured in the hertz units. It's basically distance. It's memories of high school science come back yet, if you remember anything. 1 hertz meaning is a vibration per second. So amplitude is called power, which is referred to size of the waves. This usually means in decibels and measure of the volume of intensity of sound all sort of. So also different colors of sound and vibrates different frequencies and their names and loosely analogs and all that stuff. Color light, for example, white noise emits all of the frequencies audible to human ears, just like white light contains all of the colors of the light visible to the human eye. So don't confuse the colors of the sounds with ambient noise, which refer to the background noise present in any given settings. For instance, the rumble of the train mixed with the passenger chatter of the Rosal or Levis is a mix. The crisping of bird, the color of sounds, continuous, unchanging signs of partitioning frequencies, amplitude. So in this article, basically what I try to say over here, and we're going to go over with like different sound and colors of the noise. So white legacy of the sleep sound is basically white noise. Has lulled people to sleep for ages. Because white noise, it's usually like a 20 hertz to 20,000 hertz. It holds potentially block of any outside sounds. The consistency of the white noise creates a tried and true masking effect. So the pink noise is most of like in I would say recently becomes a daring at sleep sounds, presumably due to the fact that the recent research has shown the pink noises increase the time of spent in deep sleep and improve memory. So pink noise is mixed with the high and low frequencies, like the sound of falling rain or gentle waves, marking of soft and clanging, something like that. Check. So usually like Honeywell equipments, they have those sounds, electronic ones. So the brown noise is well, you use them in Dreamwear, it's a newer project of the Honeywell. Brown noises, those think is brown noise like deeper version of the pink noise with even more bass, tone and low frequency, concentrated energy. It sounds dampened compared to the white noise, but something strong comparable to the hard ocean surf during the storm. So unlikely the other songs, brown noises names like something like that, Anyway, there are equipments that is made to do this. And the blue noise is the energy of blue noise is mostly concentrated at the high frequency end with very few deep tones and balance it out. As such as the blue noise sounds similar to the hiss of the Kinket wave var noise. If you are not sensitive to the high pitched sounds, blue noise does a great job of heavily masking outside noise. It's harsh, loud volumes, but audio engineers often use the blue noise for dithering, a process where they intentionally add noise to a production, such as the song remix or smooth out the sounds. So which is the color of the noise is better for sleep? You would say. Well, the truth is we don't know. No one knows which is because the scientists haven't conducted research for this yet and to compare. Likely white noise, light for iOS. We have a version of the iPhones here, all of that. Once you find sounds you like and consistently help you asleep, consider purchasing a sleep sound machine such as Lector fan high frequency or the white noise machine, which is 20 sounds of choice from. This is my second machine I have. This is one actually in extreme nice condition, and there you go. It's basically what I was trying to say to show this and explain a little bit about the noise. So I do love this, especially if you set this a little bit far away from you, and not only motor. I mean, you can put them on the floor. If you flip it upside down, you probably can hear noise from the motor a little bit, but that's why they have this padding on it. Anyway, this is the way it is. Thanks for watching my video, and I hope you're gonna like it. Thank you.